So what exactly is the Industry 4.0? Imagine the future world: robot workers at assembly lines, driver-free taxis, trucks or ships, robots translators, and even self-learning artificial intelligence instead of lawyer or judge. Human used to compete with robotic systems in the field of manual labor's productivity, but now Industry 4.0 transfers the competition to the intellectual domain as well. But let's not jump ahead of ourselves and examine each of the previous revolutions separately. Dating back to around 1760, the first industrial revolution was the transition to new manufacturing processes using water and steam. It was hugely beneficial in terms of manufacturing a larger number of various goods and creating a better standard of living for some. Fuel sources like steam and coal made machine use more feasible, and the idea of manufacturing with machines quickly spread. Machines allowed faster and easier production, and they made all kinds of new innovations and technologies possible as well. The first industrial revolution represented the period between the 1760s and around 1840. This is where the second industrial revolution picked up. Historians sometimes refer to this as the technological revolution, occurring mainly in Britain, Germany, and America. The period saw the development of various management programs that perfected the effectiveness of manufacturing facilities. New technological systems were introduced, most notably superior electrical technology, which allowed for even greater production. Industry 3.0 began with the first computer era. These early computers were often very simple, but they laid the groundwork for a world today that one is hard-pressed to imagine without computer technology. Manufacturing and automation advanced considerably thanks to internet access, connectivity and renewable energy. Industry 3.0 introduced more automated systems onto the assembly line to perform human tasks, in other words using programmable logic controllers. So let's recap. Industry 1.0 was all about the mechanization of steam and water power. Industry 2.0 leveraged mass production using the electrical power. Industry 3.0 gave us automated production, computers, and many other. But what about the Industry 4.0? It is the era of smart machines, storage systems and production facilities that can autonomously exchange information, trigger actions and control each other without human intervention. Key elements of Industry 4.0 include the Internet of Things. Billions of physical devices around the world are now connected to the Internet, collecting and sharing data. This adds a level of digital intelligence to devices, enabling them to communicate without a human being involved, and merging the digital and physical worlds. Cyber-physical system. CPSs are systems that link the physical world with the virtual world of information processing. They are composed from diverse constituent parts like software systems, communications technology and sensors that collaborate together to create some global behavior. Cloud computing. With this technology, users are able to access software and applications from wherever they are. The computer programs are being hosted by an outside party and reside in the cloud. This means that users do not have to worry about things such as storage and power, they can simply enjoy the end result. Cognitive computing. The goal of cognitive computing is to simulate human thought processes in a computerized model. Using self-learning algorithms that use data mining, pattern recognition and natural language processing, the computer can mimic the way the human brain works. Tech revolutions could ultimately follow one another in quick succession over the next 10 years and beyond. As AI improves and factory robots assume more human-like capabilities, the interaction between computers, robots and human workers will ultimately become more meaningful and mutually enlightening. Thanks everyone for watching. For more on the Industry 4.0, stay right here at lnx.com.